I'm taking these off because of the reflection. Hey everyone, it's Theater Greaser, and today's video will be a tutorial on how to film your children. I'm making this video for the sake of my parents, for your parents, grandparents, aunts and uncles, literally anyone who, if you ask them to take a video and then you watch it after and you're like, what am I watching right now? This video's for you. Let's get into it. Tip 1. Just because you see it doesn't mean the camera sees it. Think of the phone as a video camera. You want to be able to see what you're filming. You want to make sure that the screen is always about here. If your face is here, the phone should be here. Don't think that just because the phone is in front of your face means that you can't live in the moment. You can move the phone slightly to the side so that both what you are watching and what you are trying to film are in your line of sight. You don't know how many videos I've seen that are just of the ground because whoever was filming was too busy watching what was happening. I promise, you can watch what's happening and still get a great video of it. Tip number 2, you don't need to zoom in so much. On some phones, zooming in while filming actually makes the quality worse. Oftentimes, zooming in too much can cut out important pieces of what you're trying to film. For instance, I had this really great race. I'm in cross country. What up, varsity qualifying for sections over here?
Shut the fuck up.
As I was saying, in one of my races, I was really far behind these two girls. In the home stretch, I passed both of them. However, due to the positioning of the speaker in front of the phone, you can't tell how much I pushed in my kick to pass my opponents. The zoomed-in camera cuts off most of me as I cross the finish line, and it isn't until I'm finished running that the camera zooms back out.
You want to try to get the full picture, zooming in as little as possible while recording. That way, when you're watching the video back and there's something specific that you want to see, you can zoom in on that specific part, but try not to zoom in while recording. Tip number 3, be tall. I'm just kidding. Kinda. When filming in a crowd or around a lot of people, holding your phone up can help you get that bigger picture. This is one of the few times that you can break that line of vision rule. Try to film in a place where there aren't a lot of trees or speakers or anything that can obstruct the view. Tip number 4, don't talk. Please don't talk. If you can hear it, the camera can hear it. If you're talking, the camera hears it 10 times louder. If you're filming something like a sporting event and you want to cheer on your kids, which you should, I suggest bringing a tripod or setting up something that you can film on, or just getting someone else to record. If it is a sporting event, then having cheering in the video doesn't really matter as much, but just know that if you are screaming, that's all the camera's gonna hear. That's everything I have for right now. If you can think of any more tips or tricks, please feel free to leave them in comments below. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications, all that good stuff. Thank you so much for watching my video, and stay weird.